How to delete filled page in Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So let's start with the video guys. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so we are on my Microsoft Word and you can see I have few page here. So let me show you properly. Okay, so you can see we have 1 2 3 4 5 page here, and I have this page with different color of font, so show you properly. So I want to delete this page which is already filled. So what you need to do, just select that page, just keep the cursor on the page. Now hit the Ctrl plus G, then this go page will be display, go tab will be display. Now go to the go page, select the page. Now enter the backslash, type the page and hit the enter, and just close the window. And now you need to enter the delete button from your computer. Then you can see this page has been deleted. Now we have only 4 page and this red color font page has been deleted. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.